various ways. So, sir, I want to appeal to you, sir, that the governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir. I don't want that we will proceed. We have to start shouting slogan if the governor continue to address us in Hindi, sir.
One nation. I will allow this house to, the governor will be addressing in Hindi, so I think we should let it.
Strong exception to this, and we strongly condemn. We strongly condemn. This is against the sentiment of the people of the state, sir.
Mr.
As
Speaker,
a party,
sir.
we truly represent the voice of the people, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
This is where I think on this issue,
I request the honourable member.
just let me complete. On this issue, I feel there should be no opposition, no ruling. We should stand united as one.